Hello, I am Dr. Rob Neilson at Hawthorn Healing Arts Center. I'm a naturopathic doctor and acupuncturist here at Hawthorn, and I'm here to tell you today about prolotherapy. So what is prolotherapy? Prolotherapy is an injection therapy that helps your body to regenerate damaged tissue. So it is specific to treat chronic pain and any kind of dysfunctional joint problems. So if there's some instability in a joint, it is fantastic to address that. So a typical course of treatment is a series of injections, an injection monthly for 4 to 6 treatments is the typical course of treatment. What does prolotherapy treat? Prolotherapy is outstanding to address any kind of chronic joint problem. So whether you are an athlete that damaged your knee or your elbow running, or if you're a tradesperson who's been on your feet for years and years and your joints are worn out, prolotherapy will help you get back to where you were prior to your injury. So specifically, prolotherapy treats knee problems, which can look like a degenerative arthritis, it can look like partially torn meniscus, it can be a partially torn ligament or tendon, it can be a shoulder problem, so a rotator cuff tear or a bursitis. It can be neck problems, so whether there's degenerative discs or bone spurs or any kind of muscle tension in the neck, it can also help with that. It can help with also various other complaints like TMJ disorder or plantar fasciitis on the feet. So whether it's a problem with the joint from the head to the feet, prolotherapy is outstanding at addressing it. So what's the difference between cortisone injections and prolotherapy? So these are two opposite spectrum treatments here. So anytime there is pain in the body, there is some degree of inflammation going on in the body. Now that inflammation is your body's attempt at healing this problem. So a cortisone injection just shuts down that inflammation. It eliminates basically the problem and the treatment all at once. So any kind of inflammation is gone and the pain is gone as well. Now the problem is that there's no longer inflammation to help regenerate the damaged tissue. So it leaves that area of the body vulnerable to becoming re-injured and developing into a chronic, even potentially worse problem than before. Now prolotherapy, what it does is instead of shutting down the inflammation, it actually enhances a little bit of inflammation and enhances your body's ability to regenerate that tissue. So prolotherapy improves the blood supply to the damaged area. It actually triggers your growth factors to be stimulated to regrow certain tissue types in that area. So whether it's a ligament damage, whether it's a meniscus damage, or a tendon damage, those growth factors will help to be stimulated to regrow those particular tissue types. That in turn will strengthen the joint, it'll treat the problem over time and give you permanent stability within that joint, and over time, permanently pain-free. So thanks for listening. In conclusion, prolotherapy is outstanding to treat chronic muscle and joint problems. Please come in to see me. I'm at Hawthorn Healing Arts Center offering prolotherapy. Thank you.